Okay, so what we normally do with an SCE is I normally take him off lead and step away, but I can't step away right now. I'm a pillow. You are. So the second he lifts his head, I'll move.
Oh, that's okay.
But just spend the time stroking.
You can
so
stroke
long.
at the same time. Just try synchronizing.
Stroke from below the shoulder. There we go.
You're just keeping that firm.
And please ask lots of questions. We like questions.
Yes. I'm mesmerized. Come on.
So he is also showing natural behavior for a cheetah. They're going to rest 16 to 18 hours of the day to conserve their energy. Cheetahs will only run when it becomes necessary for them. The rest of the day they try and save as much energy as possible.
Yes.
How old is he?
He's
7.
And his name again?
Kitu.
This is Kitu.
His
K-I-T.
photo is the fourth from the bottom on the board outside.
Okay.
It's his baby picture, so it doesn't look exactly the same.
Right, my photo is not the same.
It's only about 7 years difference. Just
Stand
up to me.
Just
Stand up. And just right back.
Yeah, if he wants to get up.
You're gonna come down and you're gonna stroke him nice and confidently.
Yes.
And then I'm going to take him off lead and I'm gonna
Okay.
step away, alright? I'm gonna take him off lead, so he's off lead. And you just need to stay confident.
Yep. And if he rolls again, do we
Then you
just
just
get
get
out the
Up and
way?
back, yeah.
So just if you can stay from below the shoulder.
Oh,
that would be
sorry.
good. No, that's all good.
And to the haunch.
Yes. It's okay. It's just okay. So that is to him sounds like a growl, a motorbike.
Okay.
So
I'm
now
like,
he's just seeing what it is, and he's just responding to it and saying,
Keep stroking.
"Just keep stroking him." Yeah, there's a good
Showing
boy.
you his
Yes.
claws as well.
yes.
There's a good boy. Okay, you good? Yeah, go ahead.
Like, how do you often check them out for like just overall stuff, or that, you know, just medical stuff? I mean, how do you?
It depends. If we need to do diagnostics, we would usually have to sedate them.
Yeah, of course.
They're not the same as your cats and dogs who will let you put a IV catheter in or draw blood or anything like that. Sadly, we're dealing actually with an extension of life in captivity. We take very good care of them, so we don't ever want to knock them out if we don't have to.
No.
Do they breed? Do you breed them?
Not with
So
us.
not with us.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're not a breeding facility. We
Right.
are an educational facility. Obviously, our conservation is cheetahs, and to educate everybody on the plights of cheetah conservation.
Awesome.
Also to educate about our dog program, because our dog program is so important. It helps saves the free roaming cheetahs.
You can actually see them
There.
over on the next fences too.
So the Turkish people have been using them for 5,000 years to protect their livestock against wolves and bears.
5,000 years.
And it works. It's instinctual for them to bond with the livestock and protect the livestock.
And what's the name of the dog?
Anatolian Shepherd. So yeah, it doesn't matter what livestock. It can even be. It's okay. Just keep stroking.
Going. Keep going.
Just keep stroking. There's a good boy. So it can even be a duck. They'll protect it to the death.
Good.
And the reason the program works so well is because, well, there's a few reasons. A predator won't kill another predator for something alive.
Yeah.
A predator will rather avoid confrontation and go somewhere else. And then also, it's in their DNA to be scared of humans. It's because humans have been killing animals for thousands of years. So when they see a dog, they associate them with humans. So they stay away from them.
Understood, yeah. Wow. Intricate systems.
But it works.
Yeah.
So the farmers who don't have the Anatolians, their livestock loss is about 30%.
Yeah.
That's high.
And with the dogs, it's between 1% and 5%.
What do they mainly lose it to? Just all kinds of predators?
All different predators, yeah. So it's all predators. So it's lions, leopards, cheetahs, jackals, caracals, hyenas. You know, they're all predators, and if it's easy prey, they're going to take it.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
So what about exercise for these guys?
Okay, so cheetahs don't run for fun. They only run to hunt or run away. But we do have a running enclosure where we do offer them a run.
Oh, cool.
So they get to run 2-3 times a week.
If they want.
If they want to. So we put up the pulley system, we get it all ready, we invite them to come and have a run. Our older cheetahs love running. The 3 youngest are nuck. They're just useless at
So
running.
they just it's like you'd have at a dog race.
Yes, it's like a
Similar to greyhound.
Yeah.
So while he's got his claw out, that's over there is his dew claw.
Yes.
That is the sharpest claw on a cheetah. It's the claw that rips or snaps the tendons or severs the tendons of the prey that they're catching. So your other predators will jump on.
Yeah.
These guys don't have that strength. They've got the speed, and they trip them.
Oh, yeah. But I didn't realise it snapped the tendon as well. So that's when
Not
it does
always.
that.
It's not always,
Yeah,
but
It does trip the
it
prey
does
up.
trip the
Like a
prey.
razor. Yeah.
There you go, showing you all his claws.
Yes, thank
Are
you.
you showing off those beautiful paws of yours?
And then the rest of his claws you can see are kind of out. You'll see it when you stand in
Stunted, yeah.
front. So they cannot retract their claws in
Yeah.
like your other cats.
They are protractable though. So when he's in a full sprint, those claws will come out to help with grip.
Like our track shoes.
Yes.
Free massage.
Yes, he's enjoying his
Not a
massage.
great one.
They really do enjoy it. So what you're doing is mimicking the way his brothers will grip him. So it's very
Downward.
comforting for him. Anything different is just ticklish and annoying.
He's busy watching the other cheetahs, so
Yeah,
he's
often
not
it
looking at
looks
you.
like they're looking at you, but they're looking like literally past
Through you.
They
Yeah.
don't care.
You're like in the way.
Unless you've got a weird hairdo or something, they really don't care.
Okay.
It is, isn't it? Right? It's tough. It's tough being a cheetah here, hey? You're not spoiled at all.
So how much do they weigh?
So he's 42.
Are you guys American or Canadian? Okay,
Oh,
American.
UK and
British. Oh, sorry, okay, so he's 42 kilograms, which is about 95 pounds. Yeah. But he's our smallest.
But he eats the most. He's got a very fast metabolism, so he gets the most food out of all of them. Good boy. But he also thinks he's 5 times bigger than he is.
Oh, one of them.
Yeah.
Napoleon
Yep.
syndrome.
Yep. Kitu, is Harry in your face? Harry in your face. Yes. Put your head
Yeah,
on
there's
the
lots
tree.
of branches.
there's a branch behind you.
Yep.
Don't get caught in the tree now. How did you manage to get in there?
So as well with the cheetahs, you'll see they have that black tear line on the face.
Yeah.
And that helps just to absorb that glare of the light away from the eyes. So you can see. And they rely on the eyesight. They can see up to about 5 kilometers or 3 miles in the distance in detail. Excellent eyesight, excellent hearing, sense of smell again, not so good. I mean,
Still better than ours.
it's better than ours, but not great.
Thank
That was pretty
you.
cool.
Well, that was awesome.
So now you can see the claws are always out. They're not as sharp as the dew claw, but they will still do damage. Tough life, eh? So yeah, in a year they confiscate about 300 cheetah cubs. And unfortunately those cheetah cubs can't be released because they've been malnutritioned, because they were taken away from mom and they were so young, and
They're not weaned.
unfortunately their claws get pulled out and their teeth get pulled out and they don't feed them the correct diet, so they don't last long. This is my favourite animal. Yeah, but I wouldn't want one at home. No thank you.
No way. Too high maintenance.
Absolutely, and I can't afford it.
Yeah, exactly.
2.2 kilos a day is a lot of
Oh,
food.
that's
You're gonna see us feed maybe 2 or 3 cheetahs. Yeah,
they're not tin cat.
No,
5 people here. eat,
they'll
like,
pull their nose
liver
up to it.
pate.
And no vegetables.
Yeah, and vegetables
bad.
not a cat food.
We do a vegetable baby food for one of them who likes it, but he's just gonna poop it out. It's not gonna
Yeah,
digest.
it's not a-
Yeah, that's just because he's a big baby.
Yeah.
I mean, he's 9, but he's
But yeah,
I
and
guess
it's
it is a treat once in a blue moon.
and it's a he. So
yeah.
you got that. Sorry, guys. No, thank you. This was awesome.
Thanks so much.
Thank you very much.
We'll see you again for the feeding tour.
Yeah, oh, there we go.